morning. Good morning, YouTube. Y'all. I am so tired, y'all. I'm tired. I gotta take my car to the car wash. I need to put some boxes out, trash out or whatever. I'm getting rid of, put it on the side. Some people got boxes and stuff out. Put mine out too. Check this trash. They're getting ready to put houses out here now. I don't know what I want to eat today. I got a lot of work to do. I need to finish up my schoolwork today. It's going to take me about 6 hours. Check the mail. Excuse me. This my allergies. This is cute. Oh. Ooh, look at it. Look at. That's cute. Y'all look. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. That's cute. Chanel. I have the matching earrings too. It's too cute. I like it. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. This is a cute little gift box. Ain't that cute? It's pretty. Yeah. Y'all, my allergies are really acting up. I don't even have a cold. It's just, I don't know. Last night I was miserable. Ew, they're tiny. Y'all, if y'all know, whether y'all know it or not, I wrote a book, and the title of my book is called A Leap of Faith. And here is the earrings with my book on it. It has the picture of me and the title of my book. I don't know if you can see it or not in the sun, but that's my book, guys. So it has the earrings. Guys, isn't this cute? Oh my gosh. I hope I don't lose them. I'm gonna have to get a back to put on them. Ain't that cute? Wow. Wow. I don't want to keep them on because I don't want to lose them, but And I probably won't even wear them because they are so special to me. So, isn't that cute, y'all? This is another gift. So anyways, guys, let me go to this place and wash this car. Yes, guys, thank you so much for being a part of my community and for taking the time out to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you guys, all of my subscribers. I appreciate you very, very much. I am not feeling very well today. As you can see, my allergies are really, really getting the best of me. If you're interested in purchasing my book, I will leave it down in the description down below. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and please don't forget to leave your comments down below. And until next time, guys, I will catch you on the next go. Peace.